Hello guys, let's check this umbrella humidifier from AliExpress. The link is in the description. Also, I will put some coupon codes. Let's open the box. We have charger here. And here it is our humidifier. A controller and the base. All you need is to fill up with water and put the cover. Let's try it together. Yes. You can change the color. Also there is timer, and here a button to rotate the umbrella. The smoke will take time to build up. It started raining and some smoke is out. Take a closer look guys, it's smoking and raining. The water drop sound is very cool and calm. Thank you for watching guys, and enjoy your rain.